Okay, welcome back to another Parswood tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at something very exciting. We're going to be looking at Python and we're going to do an if statement. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to get Python open. All programs, ICT, Python 3.3, idle. Don't forget, when you get this open like this is not what we want to see. We want a blank screen, so let's go for File and New Window. That's what we should be seeing. Okay, so in this if statement, you should have already done some work on if statements, so you should know the kind of theory behind the algorithms of an if statement. But this is how we actually do one. So I'm just going to do an example one for you. Let's do a Python script which tells someone whether they are old or young. Okay, it's very judgmental, but don't worry about that. This will just help us get our if statements right. So I'm going to start off by assigning it a variable name, in this case age, and I'm going to say age equals now int. Don't forget this from last week. We were doing our data types, weren't we? So we want our age to be an integer. It's going to be a whole number. I don't want anybody saying that they're 14.3. So integer, and then we want an input as well, don't we? Input, and then we're going to ask a question. So I'm going to say, what is your age, please? Okay, finish it off properly. Don't forget your second bracket there, because we've done two brackets at the beginning. And then we're going to say if. Okay, so this is our if statement. So if whatever comes back in age is greater than or equal to, now what age should we say is old here? I've got to be careful I don't offend anyone. Let's say 58. Okay, so if it's larger than 58, then, and our colon there, you see our colon here, this one, that's like a then saying if you're greater than or equal to 58, then we want to print. Don't do a capital P like I did then, because it won't work. Print. You are well old. Wow. Okay, right. So there we go. Then down to this line. Then we're going to say else. Okay, so if you're not over or equal to 58, then what do we want to print in this case? Let's have a look. Print. Really? That's mega young. Look at this. Expressive language. Okay. Should we give it a go? Let's give it a go. I hope it works. I'm crossing my fingers. Okay. And let's just say quickly age. Yes, let's overwrite that. No, invalid syntax. Okay, let's do this to the next line. Oh, I know why. I didn't put my then in. You didn't tell me. Okay, there's my then. Okay. Let's indent. Oh, I didn't indent it. There we go. Let's try running it one more time. What's your age, please? Brilliant. Okay, let's try 60. So that should say that I'm old. Okay, let's try this. Enter. You are well old. Wow. Okay, right. To try it again, we need to shut that down, and then we need to run this again. You can run it by going to run module, or you can just press F5 like it says there. So if I just press F5 now, and you see, what's your age, please? 34. Oh, really? That's mega young. Okay, fantastic. So that's how you do it. If you need to watch any of this again, go back in the video, look at some of the earlier stuff, and have a look at it as many times as you like, and then try the challenge that I'm going to set you in the next section.